guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Friday, happy 2026. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start of today. Before we get to Enhle, guys, let's start with Mihlalin Damasi. Something happened to Mihlalin Damasi, guys. This is what she has to say upon our Instagram. Hey lovers, my WhatsApp has been hacked. Someone is going around asking for money. Don't send them money, guys. The Mihlalin Damasi, she's been going through a lot. It's still January. Not a few weeks ago, she was accused of dating a married man. Yo, guys, Sana, let's hope she will get her WhatsApp back. But anyway, guys, let's get to Masamsaleko's daughter. So last year, Enhle, she got a job, and people were saying, oh, the reason why she got a job is because of Tobile Msaleko, guys. And people were saying, oh, this job is given to influencers or people who are famous. We know that we Enhle from Mutanis Tembo and is Tembo, guys. So this is what she posted. Only in January, this is how many cars she has sold. The guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A huge congratulations, guys. She posted her January dump. Guys, she's working hard, guys. It has nothing to do with being. See, she's not a finisher lapha or model, guys. She already sold 5 cars in 1 month. A huge congratulations to Enhle Msaleko. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Friday. Please take